Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ferox Vent. Today we bring you a dramatic story from the world of baseball. Seattle Mariners outfielder Victor Robles, who was on a rehab assignment with AAA Tacoma, faced a shocking moment when he was ejected from the game after nearly being hit by a pitch and reacting furiously. Stay tuned as we take you through every detail. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, share and comment your thoughts about this update for more detailed coverage. Seattle Mariners outfielder Victor Robles had an eventful and emotional outing on Sunday while playing a rehab game for AAA Tacoma. His day ended abruptly when he was thrown out of the game after reacting strongly to a pitch that came too close for comfort. The turning point came in the third inning against the Las Vegas Aviators. Joe Stace, the starting pitcher, delivered his opening pitch to Robles, and it came high and inside. Robles finished to avoid contact and initially dropped his bat near home plate. But instead of letting the moment pass, he picked up the bat again and angrily tossed it toward the mound. Plate umpire Joe McCarthy wasted no time ejecting him. As the situation escalated, Robles shouted at the stage and even took a few steps toward the mound. Before matters could spiral out of control, McCarthy and several Las Vegas teammates stopped him and pulled him back. Robles' frustration did not come out of now here. In the 4 games leading up to this one, he had already been hit by a pitch 3 separate times, and that history seemed to fuel his outburst. After being sent off, his anger carried into the dugout. He rolled a box of snacks onto the field before leaving for the clubhouse. Not long afterward, Roberts addressed the incident in a heartfelt statement on Instagram, where he admitted he let his emotions take over. He explained that the season has been extremely difficult for him, coming off a long rehab and being away from the game for most of the year has been physically and mentally challenging. He wrote, Roberts also shared a personal tragedy, saying, the recent passing of my mother has been incredibly hard and I have been doing my best to hold it together. That's not an accuse, but some context I feel you deserve to understand. He continued by acknowledging his mistake, getting hit 5 times in 15 at-bats added to the pressure, and I reacted in a way I am not proud of. Baseball means everything to me, and so do the people who play it. I respect all of you, not just as fellow players, but also as teammates and competitors. Roberts, who is still recovering from a dislocated left shoulder suffered in April, is working hard to get back into the Mariners lineup. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit on bell icon.